Hey there, welcome to GreenAlchemy, where we blend ancient herbal wisdom with modern wellness. If you're dealing with hair fall and thinning strands, and nothing seems to work, don't stress, because today, I'm going to show you a natural herbal serum that actually feeds your roots. Let's dive in. While this recipe is rooted in traditional herbal pharmacognosy, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider if you have specific concerns. Why most hair products fail? Most hair products only coat the surface. But real change? It starts beneath the scalp, where your hair roots need nourishment, not just fragrance. Think vitamins, amino acids, minerals, the real fuel for healthy, resilient growth. What you'll need. Here's what goes into this revitalizing serum. Millet seed extract, rich in silica, strengthens hair at the root. Wheat germ oil, packed with vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids. Spirulina or lentil extract, a natural source of cystine to boost keratin production. Rosemary essential oil, clinically shown to improve circulation and growth. Aloe vera gel, calms the scalp and supports healthy hair cycles. Let's mix this together. It's quick and powerful. Add 2 tablespoons of soaked millet water. Mix in 1 tablespoon of wheat germ oil. Add 1 teaspoon of spirulina or lentil extract. Drop in 3 to 4 drops of rosemary essential oil. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Shake gently in an amber glass bottle. That's it, you've made your first GreenAlchemy scalp serum. Apply the serum directly to your scalp 3 times a week, ideally at night. Massage for 5 minutes to boost circulation, then leave it on overnight. Wash it out the next morning with your usual routine. Hair growth isn't a magic trick, it's a commitment to self-care. Feed your roots. Trust in nature. And be patient. Your hair deserves it. If this recipe helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to GreenAlchemy, the alchemy of natural healing.